Hey fitness enthusiast, welcome back to Diet and Exercise. Today's video is all about how to lose 10 kilograms in a healthy and sustainable way. Before we dive in, I want to emphasize that this isn't about crash dieting or extreme measures. We're focusing on sustainable weight loss that stays off. In this video, I'll provide you with a complete roadmap, including a free diet plan, effective workout routine, and practical lifestyle tips that will help you reach your goal. While individual results may vary, these evidence-based strategies have helped thousands of people achieve their weight loss goals. Remember, losing weight too quickly can be unhealthy and counterproductive, so we'll aim for a safe rate of 1 to 2 kilograms per week. This approach ensures you're losing fat while preserving muscle mass and maintaining your metabolic health. Get ready to transform your body and lifestyle with methods you can maintain long-term. Understanding your caloric needs. Let's start with the fundamental principle of weight loss, the caloric deficit. To lose 1 kilogram of fat, you need to create a deficit of approximately 7,700 calories. This means burning more calories than you consume. To calculate your daily caloric needs, we'll use the following formula. For men, multiply your weight in kilograms by 24, and for women, multiply by 22. This gives you your maintenance calories. For safe and effective weight loss, we'll reduce this number by 500 to 750 calories per day, which should result in 0.5 to 1 kilogram loss per week. However, never go below 1,200 calories for women or 1,500 for men, as this can slow your metabolism and lead to nutritional deficiencies. It's important to track your calories accurately using a food diary or app, at least initially, to understand your actual intake. Remember that your caloric needs may vary based on factors like activity level, age, and muscle mass. The key is finding a sustainable deficit that allows you to lose weight while maintaining energy and nutrition for your daily activities. Strategic meal planning. Your meal plan should focus on nutrient-dense foods that keep you feeling satisfied while staying within your caloric goals. Structure your day around 3 main meals and 2 small snacks to maintain stable blood sugar and prevent overeating. Start your day with a protein-rich breakfast within an hour of waking. This could be eggs with whole grain toast and vegetables, or Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. For lunch, focus on lean proteins like chicken or fish, combined with plenty of vegetables and a small portion of complex carbohydrates. Dinner should be lighter, emphasizing protein and vegetables while limiting carbohydrates. Your snacks should combine protein and fiber. Think apple slices with almond butter or carrot sticks with hummus. Prepare your meals in advance whenever possible to avoid impulsive food choices. Shop primarily from the perimeter of the grocery store, where you'll find whole, unprocessed foods. Use smaller plates to control portions naturally, and always eat slowly, giving your body time to register fullness. Optimal macronutrient distribution. Setting up the right balance of macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats is crucial for successful weight loss. Protein should make up about 25 to 30% of your daily calories, as it helps preserve muscle mass during weight loss and keeps you feeling full longer. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of target body weight. Good sources include lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and dairy products. Carbohydrates should comprise 40 to 45% of your calories, focusing on complex carbs like whole grains, vegetables, and fruits that provide sustained energy and essential nutrients. Limit simple carbs and sugars to prevent blood sugar spikes. Healthy fats should make up the remaining 25 to 30% of your calories, coming from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats are essential for hormone production and nutrient absorption. Track your macros using a food tracking app initially to ensure you're hitting these targets. Remember to distribute your macronutrients evenly throughout the day to maintain stable energy levels and control hunger. Strategic exercise programming. Your workout plan should combine cardiovascular exercise and strength training for optimal fat loss. Start with 3 cardio sessions per week, each lasting 30 to 45 minutes. Choose activities you enjoy, whether it's brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or using cardio machines. Incorporate high-intensity interval training, HIIT, once or twice a week to boost metabolism and accelerate fat burning. A simple HIIT workout might involve 30 seconds of intense effort, followed by 90 seconds of recovery, repeated 8 to 10 times. Add 3 strength training sessions per week, focusing on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This includes movements like squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and rows. Start with bodyweight exercises if you're new to strength training, gradually adding resistance as you build strength. Remember to leave at least one day between strength sessions for recovery. Keep a workout log to track your progress and ensure you're consistently challenging yourself. The key is finding a sustainable routine that fits your schedule and fitness level. Lifestyle optimization. Success in weight loss extends beyond diet and exercise to encompass your entire lifestyle. Sleep plays a crucial role. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as sleep deprivation can increase hunger hormones and cravings. Manage stress through practices like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga, as chronic stress can lead to emotional eating and weight gain. Stay hydrated by drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily, which helps reduce hunger and supports metabolic function. Plan your meals and workouts in advance to ensure you stay on track despite a busy schedule. Create a supportive environment by removing tempting foods from your home and surrounding yourself with people who encourage your healthy choices. Set realistic goals and track your progress using measurements and photos rather than relying solely on the scale. Remember that weight loss is a journey, not a race, and sustainable changes come from developing healthy habits you can maintain long-term. Progress tracking methods. Effective progress tracking involves more than just weighing yourself. Weigh yourself at the same time each morning, after using the bathroom, and before eating or drinking. Record this number, but don't obsess over daily fluctuations. Focus on weekly trends instead. Take body measurements every 2 weeks, including your waist, hips, chest, arms, and thighs. Photos are another valuable tool. Take front, side, and back views every 2 weeks wearing similar clothing. Keep a detailed food and exercise journal to identify patterns and areas of improvement. Plateau prevention strategies. Weight loss plateaus are normal and can be overcome with strategic adjustments. Every 2 weeks, recalculate your caloric needs based on your new weight and adjust your intake accordingly. Rotate your exercise routine regularly to prevent adaptation. Try new cardio activities, change up your strength training exercises, or adjust the intensity and duration of your workouts. Common pitfalls to avoid. Understanding and avoiding common weight loss mistakes will help you stay on track. Don't skip meals or create too large a caloric deficit, as this can lead to overeating later and metabolic slowdown. Avoid elimination diets that cut out entire food groups, as these are usually unsustainable and can lead to nutritional deficiencies. Don't rely solely on cardio for weight loss. Strength training is essential for maintaining muscle mass and metabolic health. Long-term maintenance plan. Once you've reached your goal weight, transition to a maintenance phase by gradually increasing your calories. Add 100 to 200 calories per week while monitoring your weight to find your new maintenance level. Continue with your exercise routine, adjusting as needed to maintain fitness and prevent weight regain. Keep tracking your food intake and weight, at least occasionally, to catch any upward trends early. Plan for special occasions and holidays by allowing reasonable indulgences while maintaining overall healthy choices. Develop strategies for managing stress and emotional eating that don't involve food. Stay connected with a supportive community, whether through friends, family, or online groups. Consider setting new fitness goals to stay motivated and continue challenging yourself. Remember that maintaining weight loss is often harder than losing weight initially, so stay vigilant while allowing flexibility in your routine. Congratulations on taking the first step towards your weight loss journey. Remember that losing 10 kilograms is an achievable goal with the right approach and mindset. Focus on making sustainable changes to your diet, exercise routine, and lifestyle rather than seeking quick fixes. Track your progress, celebrate small victories, and be patient with yourself when facing challenges. The plan we've covered today provides a comprehensive framework for success, but feel free to adjust it to fit your individual needs and preferences. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based health and fitness content. Drop a comment below with your questions or share your own weight loss journey. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, and you've already taken that step by watching this video. Now it's time to put these strategies into action and work toward your goal. You've got this, and we're here to support you every step of the way.